Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Fresh concerns this evening about safety failures at an event that was held at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center on Sunday. A local security consultant is warning that the incident exposed several gaps in the screening process. 48 hours after gunshots rang out at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center, and investigators are still working to determine the circumstances which led to the shooting incident which left 3 people injured. While they do that, questions linger about how persons were able to enter the venue with weapons. Security consultant Robert Finzi Smith went further.
What, if any, were the measures put in place to prevent weapons being brought into the venue? Who was responsible for the administering of those, protocols?
There have been little details around the protocols which were in place, but TVJ News understands that licensed firearm holders were required to log their weapons before entering, a matter that some have taken issue with.
The promoters have a very obvious responsibility, but the promoters require permission from the police. And the police now have to tell people what are the protocols, what is the no-nos, and the promoter is then incumbent on him to prove that he has these protocols in place. And you don't get a permit until that is satisfied.
Interestingly, the police seized 2 weapons during the incident, and while reports indicate that one of the weapons belonged to a licensed firearm holder embroiled in the incident, very little has been said about the legality of the other weapon, leading to even more questions. On Tuesday, I contacted the promoters of Big Wall for a response on the security protocols that were in place. However, we were informed that they would not be commenting on the matter at this time. In a release on Sunday expressing apology to those injured and affected, the organizers said they're already reviewing all security protocols with law enforcement and private security partners to strengthen measures moving forward. For Mr. Finzi Smith,
I would be fascinated if people were not. There was somebody who had nothing to do with the altercation who get shot. That person could have died. When bullets come out of the gun, them don't have no eyes in it. They go where they will.
In a statement on Monday, the police high command said it's arranging a series of meetings with party and event promoters to reinforce security and safety requirements tied to the issuing of permits. As part of these measures, restrictions on firearms at entertainment venues will be introduced, signaling a tightening of regulations aimed at preventing similar incidents. The shooting, which left 3 people injured, has also raised concerns about how worse the situation could have escalated. While Jamaicans wait on the outcome of the ongoing investigations, it's left to be seen whether anyone will be held accountable.